Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a clean silhouette in Canva. This is the easiest way and perfect for maybe poster, thumbnails, or maybe minimalist designs. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just open your designs and then upload your photo that you want to turn into a silhouette. And then next, just click on it and then click on edit. And then on the Magic Studio, just choose grab, Magic Grab, this one, and then just choose foreground to select your main object like this, and then next just simply tap on grab and like this. As you can see, your main object is spirit from the background, and then next just go to edit again and then go to effect and then choose Duotone, this one, and then next just adjust the highlights and shadow and turn it into black like this. And then next just go back and then go to blur and choose whole image and then adjust the intensity and then you're done. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.